The Glo Bus business simulation programmers made the robotics upgrade decision as confusing as possible. Do you think maybe it's intentional? Here's where the robotics decisions are, hidden at the bottom of the compensation and facilities page. And here's the language that you need to understand to know if you should add robots or not. Net annual cost impact of the robotics upgrade. This is what you should pay attention to here. Annual cost impact. If the annual cost impact is negative, that means your costs went down. And when your costs go down, your profits go up. Quite simply, if you click on this box here and select upgrade and see a large negative number here, then it's a good thing. Bring on the robots. But if you click on upgrade and see a small negative or any type of positive number here, then no robots this year. The last part of this page is how to finance your robots, if you decide to buy them. Personally, I like to finance my robots on this page with 100% debt, and sort out my 10-year loans and share issues on the finance and cash flow page. But the option is here if you want to mess around with return on robot investment on the same page. Thank you, Glo Bus. I hope you like this content. If so, please like it. If you want the free Glo Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.